Is your Windows operating system reporting the Rmclient Library DLL failure? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows system specialist. Let's resync your file architecture and restore your system integrity now. Before we start the Rmclient Library Manual Guide, check the description for a professional diagnostic utility. This is the Rmclient Library, the Restart Manager client. It manages the unmanaged communication between application installers and the Windows Restart Manager. It facilitates the detection of open files that need to be closed before a system update can finish. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. This issue is best handled by the Windows Resource Protection Service. Open an elevated command prompt and enter sfc/scan now to allow Windows to identify and replace corrupted core files, such as Rmclient Library DLL. If you're still seeing the missing file notification, we should attempt to force a synchronization between the software and the OS. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing Rmclient library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism/online/ /cleanup image /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. From a systems engineering perspective, there is one major security pitfall I need to help you avoid. If you're attempting to install Rmclient Library DLL yourself, be aware that manual file placement can lead to severe software conflicts and data corruption. To complement these security best practices, you may want to consider using a diagnostic resource to help manage your system's library references. If system alerts or resource lag are present, the resource below outlines maintenance considerations related to Rmclient Library. If you've regained access to Rmclient Library thanks to this guide, a like and a subscription really helps us continue producing these verified technical fixes.